POV. Get over here. Do 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 do. Wait, we're not walking yet. Do 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 do. You, what you doing on my property? Oh, sir, I didn't know this was private property. Well, it is. Now you got till the count of 10. I don't know. Hey, I wanna die anyways. One. One. Two. Three. Four. Five. So you guys aren't seeing anything. This gun totally has infinite shells. Okay. Okay, I'm dead. Alright, I gave you to the count of 10. Now I'm gonna start shooting at you. Is that even a real gun? There's like zero recoil to that thing. Of course it's a real gun. Totally shooting at you. Totally shooting a Nerf gun with lights coming out of it. How many shells does that thing even have? I've seen like 50 come out of it. Uh-oh. Bye-bye. I've seen like 50 come out of it. How many are there in that thing? I got 54 more rounds in this 4-round magazine. Shoot! Jeez! Remember, 54 more rounds. This 4-round magazine. See? Yeah, 54. You're still alive. Right? Yeah, you are. Oh, right. I forgot. This is a movie shotgun. Movie shotgun. Need it. Alright. Now to get the next part. Hello everyone. Today we'll be going hunting. Hunting for what? I don't know. But what I do know is that this barrel is really long. Long bow. So hunting for what? I don't know. So let's just get to it. Maybe we'll find some deer, maybe we'll find some duck, maybe. I don't know what we'll find today. Hopefully, something good. Alrighty, let's get started. Chamber it around. Let's see what we can hunt today. Oh, do. It's a pack of forts. It's a pack of forts. Which one do you need? Which one should we go for? I cannot do this. I need 2 shotguns for this. This. I want to put the truck on there. She already has a you can see it. Yeah, you can see it. Yeah, you can see it around. Yeah, I got it wrong. It definitely got it wrong. There. This one. We're done. That one's a pump action. As you can see, get them from here, pull this back, then bring it from here, puts it here, pushes it up there, into the barrel, chambers the round. And now we don't want to shoot. Ready. 3, 2. Which one should we go for? Looks like a nice juicy one. Oh, these fours are friendly, so they won't fight me, but I can fight them. One hand. You're gonna have bubble gum coming out of your forehead. bubble gum coming out of your forehead. One hand. Ow. Out of your armpit. Back. Hey. That's it. The one on the bottom. And that thing, this is your dog. There's her fence. And all around would be amazing too. And then we would do, watch this, compare that and that. Guys, do not try them because I have a lot of experience hunting forests. So I only want one. I killed the whole pack, but I only want one. So what you're gonna do is roll them in a random spot, get in your car, lean forward to make it run him over. Stop the wheel. Stop it. Stop the wheel. Okay. Flippy over. Flippy over because I'm a young. Wow, that was totally magic. It wasn't just me. Okay, what do we have now? We need. Self-protection. Self-protection. What the? It's really okay. They need to get this machine on my local airsoft field. What's that say? No tippy? No tippy? Oh, that does tip. Wait a second. I can just move that thing wherever I want it. potion if I need it. But if I don't need it, to awaken cheaply. Oh, no. As you guys can see, it's empty, empty, empty. Can see through it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nothing in. Around. Take it back. The war between Fords and nobodies. No, fight these guys. I should probably load this. Yes. Yes, fight these. Yes, finally. Oh, God. I see someone. It's not fighting. Wait, did I shoot you accidentally? Or did someone just... Alright. I'm gonna wave these guys through again. And if by the time they're through, one person is not fighting, that person is gonna be dead. Alright, let's see who's dying. Die. Die. Hey! Shotgun, shiny! Bubble gum from your fresh from your forehead. One-handed. Yeah, until you're dead. And you guys, why aren't you fighting? Watch, no wins. No, a few. Just a few, a tiny bit. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You, why aren't you fighting? Where do you want it? Up your nose, in your eye, in your ear, or in your mouth? Or on your chest? In your chest? In your mouth? Okay. Stay still. If I move, it's because I have stick drift. Still. What the? Yes, no. No, stick drift. This is easy. Finally. Alrighty. Bring you up. Around there. What's this? Have another 4. Hello. Oh, good. The second I get those are okay. Let's. 3, 2, 1. Why did you do that? Why did you do that? Because now, you die. Press forward, 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 forward. Okay, guys. I'm not gonna do what I thought I was gonna do, because you guys saw how bad I was lagging. I can't do this. Make a video. So, and I'm not gonna talk. I'm just gonna kill them. Guys, I need help. Sorry. But yeah, guys, that was kind of a short video. Yeah, hey, good. Sorry, yeah. Sorry I haven't posted in a long time. Just been really busy. So yeah. So like and subscribe. Comment what you want to see next. Comment what you guys asked for Christmas. I asked for an airsoft gun. And like and subscribe and comment, and hope you enjoyed. Sorry again, but bye.